Hello gang, how are you doing? How is everyone doing? It feels like ages, man. I've missed you a lot. If you're new here, welcome to the gang squad. My good name is Marceline, and look, Mercy come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Without any further ado, let's have some intro.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes, makes the potion.
Yo, oh my god. Guess what, guys? Today I'm so excited because today is day 13 of my lock journey. Yeah, I know it's unbelievable. I can't believe it myself. Guys, I can feel some of my locks are already locked up. Yeah, I can tell. And you know what? I guess it's wise if I give you an update of some of my videos from day 1 to day 10. So chill, relax before I give you some of my tips and tricks of how I'm maintaining my starter locks. Okay, so stay tuned.
Hey, it's me.
Having a lot of questions like, how on earth is that possible? How did I make it happen? So I'm going to share with you some of the tips and tricks of how to maintain starter locks. Okay, so I have written them down. Let me get my notebook. Yeah, I have written some of the tips and tricks down because sometimes I tend to forget some points. So I have written 5 good points, tips of how to maintain your locks. Maybe you want to lock your hair up, you want to start a lock journey, or maybe you are like me, you just got started, or maybe you just want to maintain that natural hair of yours. So moisture is the key to healthier hair, healthier locks and stuff. So there's a lot of products that you can use, simply light oils, yeah, and it's wise if you come up with a routine that to moisture your hair, to moisture your locks. Like you can moisture your locks like once or twice per week, depending on your hair type. There are some hair that don't retain the moisture, so you can do it daily, but it's wise to do it according to your hair type or your hair texture. So that's a tip. So point number 2 is using light oils to lubricate and protect and also seal in moisture. I know I've talked about that in point number 1, but I'll do it as another video and show you how I moisture, what I use to moisture my locks. So make sure you subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so you won't miss that video. So there's a lot of oils, for example, jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil, black castor, Jamaican oil. Those are the few types of oils that you can use to moisture your locks. And also use of water. Your locks are like a plant. If a plant fails to get enough water, what happens? What happens to the plant? So the same goes to your locks. If your locks fails to get enough water and enough oil, they tend to break. They I don't know. They just do this, moisture your locks, okay? For healthy locks, just moisture them. You can use the regular water. You start by spraying the regular water, or you can also use rose water, like alcohol free rose water, and you can spray it, then seal it with oil. Seal the water. Okay, I'll do this in a video. Don't worry. Point number 3 is touch your hair as few times as possible. Guys, let me give you a story. The first time that I got my locks, like, it was something addictive. I used to that's a mistake I used to do, but with time, I did it like 3 times or 4 times, but I stopped it. So it's addictive to keep on touching, like, you're like, what's happening in my hair? Let me what's happening? No, that's not good to your hair. Leave your hair alone, because your hair is not used to being locked, so it needs that time to, translate to being locked. Okay, am I making sense? I know I am. Just leave your locks alone. Leave them alone. Okay, boo, just leave them and you'll see wonders. Okay. Point number 4 is sleep with a silk or a satin scarf or a bonnet when at home. Boo, don't lay your head on your pillow without a bonnet. You know why? Because when your hair is locked, it's like a steel wool. It's prone to, taking each and every dirt from the surrounding. So your pillow has those cotton like stuffs that come out, and if they stuck on your locks, it's very, very hard to remove them. So it's wise and advisable to just sleep with a soft scarf or a bonnet. So just sleep with something, okay? Just cover your locks with something while sleeping. Number 5 is retwisting your locks 6 to 8 weeks. Yeah, I know that is that's a big gap over time, but by you doing that, your locks are maturing up, and it will reduce the incidences of lock breakage. And because you often retwist your locks, they start thinning from the scalp to where the lock is, it has ended. You have seen a lot of people with a uniform lock from here to here, but from where the retwisting has been done, it starts thinning, and that makes your locks prone to breakage. So reduce retwisting of your locks. I hope you have learned a lot from the tips and tricks I have given you to maintaining your starter locks, and not only the starter locks, but also your locks matures up. You can still they are the best tips to keep on maintaining your locks. So guys, that marks the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Just give it a like. Okay, like the video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.